Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm one of the service coordinators with Home Comfort Alliance. And after about 14 years of HVAC industry experience, I've learned one thing. Annual maintenance is not optional. It's what helps keep your equipment running smoothly so that you're comfortable all year round, and it retains your warranty. That's why we created the Comfort Club. It includes priority scheduling, member-only savings, and yearly checkups on the systems your home relies on most. Here's an example for you. We have a new customer named Susan who lives in Everett. At her first annual inspection, the technicians came out to perform her service and identified a component that was showing some serious signs of wear. We were able to replace it, keep her comfortable. She never was without heat in an emergency or in cold weather. She saved money, it was fast turnaround, and she was completely happy with the service. That's why we created Comfort Club. It offers yearly savings, member-only specials, and annual inspections for the systems that your home depends on: HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. We also offer convenient monthly payment options for your convenience. If you'd like fewer surprises and more peace of mind, visit homecomfortalliance.com today and join thousands of customers already enjoying the benefits of Comfort Club.